good clear view down the sidewalk.
Yeah. Make sure nobody's coming.
Yeah. Should I go now?
No, you have to wait for... I did not wait, but you have to wait for a card.
Exactly.
There to be 2 empty lanes.
Yeah. Because sometimes they make a lane change right at the last second as you're pulling out. Mm-hmm. So make sure that both lanes are clear. Bus in the lane ahead of me. So if you see this on the road test and it's possible for you to make a lane change, then go right ahead. Signal, mirror, blind spot. And I'm still able to manage my speed at 50. Yeah. I can make a right lane change here, just ahead of the bus.
Because the bus has the hazards on.
Yeah. And it's also before the solid white line.
Right.
So I'm bringing my speed up. Let's say I'm going, I'm going like 60, right? So 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. There we go. It only took me 3 seconds to notice and bring it back down again. Now I'm going too slow. So you want to bring it up, right? Within 5 seconds.
Right.
Left
so say you're like 1 or 2 over, like, and then you like get it, like, okay, so it is okay?
Left signal, mirror, blind spot. And you're doing this like textbook style here, getting into this lane. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder. You're coming in at the right time.
Okay.
Everything's good right there. I don't remember if we had a red light or a green light here, but...
We had a green light.
Okay. There we go.
And the cars are far enough away that you can turn.
Yeah. They're about 20 seconds away.
Yeah.
And then we turn left over here.
Right. And then...
Signal. Mirror. Mirror because my foot went to the brake. My eyes go to the mirror automatically as soon as my foot goes to the brake. That's just
so nobody slams into you.
Yep. It's just situational awareness.
Yeah.
So, you went over there. So signal, mirror, right blind spot check. You did all of that. And you pulled over far enough over to the right. 2 tires in the gravel like you did there. Signal, mirror, blind spot. Looks good. And I'm just going to show you how to avoid dry steering.
Okay.
Dry steering is hard on your steering column, your steering mechanism, whatever it is. What you want to do is you don't want to turn your wheels when your car's not moving, because what you're doing is you're grinding the rubber into the road.
Okay, yeah.
Right? But don't worry about it for a road test. They don't care about that. I'm just showing it to you.
Yeah.
So signal, mirror, blind spot.
So on a road test, they won't?
No, they don't care. You could stop, turn your wheel before you move, all that stuff. But
that's more about
in
the
future,
safety of...
Yeah. In the future, do this. Keep the car in motion and turn your wheels all the way to the right before you stop.
Right.